Oh wait, I gotta go talk to Tom. I'll be right back.
Oh my god! You guys are too cute! Get it! Get it! Yeah, what do you got?
Yeah.
Her! 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 It's bigger than you by a lot! Oh!
Playtime. This time night.
Oh! Tough guy!
Yeah, they get really noisy when they start playing
Oh!
stuff.
Her! Get him! Get him! Get it! Get it! Oh! Good job! Good job! Good job! Grrr! Grrr! Teamwork! Grrr! Oh! Get it! Hi, buddy! Oh, you're so cute.
It's kind of nice to only have one that we don't end up selling and we have it for a month or two. And then you actually get to enjoy them. Right now, it's just overwhelming when you go through it. Oh, I bet. There's more. But when we keep one for months,
Where are you going?
then you see how fun they are.
I'm following you. Let me get you. Oh! Look at the puppies. You want it? Oh, you can't even see them. Woo! Look at Tugger. Oh, you're good. Oh, don't attack the camera. Tugger. Ready? I am not left-handed. That is not working. Hey, baby. Do you think this is a toy? Oh. Look at you, bad ears. Are you sitting pretty? What are you doing? Ooh! Tugger. Mean words. Ready? Go! Maddie, you're not even gonna try? You're just gonna let him get it? No, I'm just gonna pretend I'm interested in what's over here. Look how high the stinking snow is. Sugar, can I have a toy? Can I have a toy? Buddy? I didn't throw it yet. Why are you looking up? That's the moon. He's looking up there. That's the moon, Tugger. Ready, go. Yeah, if I throw it too far, Maddie doesn't even try. You bum. Hey, Tug Tug. Woo, he's slipping and sliding. Come here. Oops, I kicked some snow. You want the snow? Says yeah. Where's your puppies? Hi, Maddie. Come here. Hi, Tugger. Oh, don't bounce on the camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, puppies. Ugh, gross. Oh, no fighting. Be friends. There you go, boy. Where are you going? Ow! Not biting me. Tucker, sit. You don't want to sit? You're going to be bad examples for the internet? Sit. Almost. You almost satted. You only sit for cookies. How about I show you cookies? Hey. Look at what I have. Tucker. Look. You can sit now. Sit. Oh, see? We know how to sit for cookies. Don't run away with it. Maddie, you trying to save it? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh my goodness, look how big you are. Oh, you're so good. I don't have any more. These are cute. You're sitting on the tube. Tucker, sit. Good puppies. Hello, puppies. Tucker, what do you have? Who's a puppy? Ah, Maddie. Bouncy, bouncy. Oh, you're learning that from Sawyer. Stop. Tucker, what do you have? Can I have it? I don't know what this is. Kind of foamy. Get it! Come here, Maddie. Come here. Kaboom! Good baby. We are ferocious. You got baby stick. Come on. Sorry guys, I haven't been vlogging much. So I thought I'd show you the puppies. But they're being kind of boring. Hey! He's my girl. You just keep kind of running into me and then running away. Come here, Maddie. Come here, baby. You smell something? You have to go potty. Stretch. What are we doing? What are we doing? Hi, Tucker. Tucker. Good set. You're sitting too. I don't have any cookies. Very good though. Tucker, can I rip you up? Rip you up? Rip you up? Oh, he's so silly. That's what he does when I say I'm gonna rough him up. He just rolls over. Look at you. Can I have this? Be patient. Go get it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.